Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Programming with Pirai. In this video, we are going to see about Leetcode question number 2739, total distance traveled. So that's a trek of two fuel tanks, namely one is main tank and another one is an additional tank. In those, we have a fuel in liters. Okay. Now, a truck can give a mileage of 10 kilometers per liter, which means that truck can run 10 kilometers by using what? 1 liter. Okay. Whenever we are consuming 5 liters of fuel in main tank, in additional tank we will be transferred of 1 liter of fuel if there is at least of 1 liter in the additional tank. Okay, that's what the question states. And the transformation from the additional tank to the main tank is immediately done. It don't take any time. Okay, now they are asking us to find what is the maximum distance we want to travel, right? Okay. Let us see this. In this example, the main tank is of 5, additional tank of 10. Okay, initially I can consume all 5 liters of fuel from the main tank, and then I can immediately transform 1 liter of fuel from additional tank to the main tank. So it will be plus 1. Anything else I can consume? No. So the total liters I can consume is only 6. So 6 into 10 is equal to 60. So 60 should be my answer. Can you understand this? Okay. Take the second example, which is 1 and 2. So I can only consume this 1 liter of fuel. Other than that, I cannot transfer this additional tank to the main tank. Yes. So it will be 1 into 10 is equal to 10. So I can travel up to 10 kilometers. So this is what the question states. Now, so it is so simple. If we calculate what is the fuel consumption, then we can easily do multiplication by 10 such that we can find the kilometers. Now let us take the example as main tank is equal to, take for example this 13, okay, and additional tank, let's take the example as 10. Okay, now from this main tank I can take a 5 fuel and add a result as 5 fuel. Okay, now what is my result? It will be something like 7, right? Sorry, 8, right? Okay, now I consume 5 liters, so I will reduce this to 9 and increase this to what? Plus 1. So it becomes what? 9. You understand this? Okay, now again I shall consume 5 liters, so it will be plus 5. Now it will be 4. Now because I am consuming 5 liters, I will reduce this to 8, and here I will add 1, so it will be 5. Yes, again I can travel a 5. Sorry, again I can consume 5 liters of fuel, so it will be 1. Yes, and then I should add 5 here, and this will be converted to 7, and here I will add 1, so it will be 2. So 2 is less than 5, so this would be directly taken to a result. So what is my answer? It is 17. So I can consume 17 liters of fuel. So 17 into 10 is equal to what? 170. So 170 kilometers is our answer, right? So what is the time continuous space of t? I can say my time continuity will be O of, I'm just doing m steps, right? So it will be m tank, sorry, main tank. Okay, and space of t is the 1 O of 1. Okay, can you understand this? So this is our time and space of t. Can we optimize it still further? So let's discuss about it. See here. First of all, main tank is 9, something like 9, and our additional tank is 10. So I can say I can travel up to what? First 5 kilometers, then 5 kilometers. Can you understand this? Then 4 kilometers, right? But this 5, sorry. First we can consume 5 liters, then we can consume 4 liters. If we take 5 in consecutively, yes. So because of this 5 liters consumption, I will add 1 here. So it also becomes 5. Again I can consume 1 liter. So I can say at most I can go what? 110 kilometers. Can you understand this? Now take the second example. First I can consume 5 liters, then I can consume 4 liters, right? Yes. Now for this 5 liters, I will transform this to here so that it will be plus 1 and it will be 5. It will be 5. So again, whether we can no, because additional tank becomes what? 0. So we cannot transform the fuel from 1 to 1. So it will be what? 100. So 100 kilometers will be answer. Now see here, if our main tank is 1 and additional tank is 2, we cannot travel, we cannot consume 5 liters, right? So it will be 1. So 1 into 10 is equal to 100. Sorry, 10. So 10 kilometers. Okay. And then see this last example. Now, just take for example, if what is our minimum requirement to add one fuel to a one fuel from additional, sorry, 1 liter of fuel from the additional to a main tank. What's our minimum requirement? We want to consume 5 liters of fuel, right? We want to consume 5 liters of fuel. Okay. We want to consume 5 liters of fuel. Okay. So I can get surely I can say we confirmly consume all fuels in our main tank first. Okay. We can consume full fuel in our main tank. Yes. Okay. Now next thing, whether we can transfer additional fuel to our main tank. When should we transfer? When we can consume all this 5 liters, then we can transfer, right? Yes. So I can say whether we want to put divided by 5 for the main tank. For main tank, whether you want to divide by 5, just observe. If it is 9, first I will do what? Divided by 5. Yes, it will be what? 1 alone. So instead of that, if take for example, think in the alternate way. Initially we want 5. Then if I have 4, this 5 will give additional additional fuel. Then it also become 5. Can you understand this? So we want to divide by what? 4, but minus here 1. Can you understand this? Initially we want 5, but other than that we want only 4. That's why we are dividing by 4. Initially you want 5, right? So if I have 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 4 divided by 4 is equal to 1. If I have 4, it will be 4 minus 1, it will be 3. 3 by 4 is equal to 0. Can you understand this? That's why I'm putting this. Now, I want to make sure that I should have an additional tank also. We want to have that fuel in our additional tank also. So I will take the minimum among them. Can you understand this? This calculation and this additional tank, which is minimum, I will take them. Because in some case, the additional tank will become 0. It will become 0 and we cannot take or transform the additional tank fuel to the main tank. That's why I'm doing this. And this whole thing should be multiplied with 10 such that I can say this much kilometers is traveled. So now hope you understand how this problem is converted to the simpler way, right? Now put this formula in this test case. If I put this formula in this test case, 25 is guaranteed. 25 fuel will be consumed is guaranteed, plus what is the minimum of 25 minus 1 is 24. 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6, right? 6. Comma, what is the additional tank capacity? It is 10, right? 10. And then do multiplication is 10 such that we will get the kilometers. Now is equal to 25 plus 6. 25 plus 6 is what? 31. 31 into 10 is equal to what? 310. So this much kilometer I can have. Now hope you understand this solution. What is the time constant in space quantity for the solution? I can say my time constant is O of 1 and space quantity is also O of 1. That's it. We are finished easy, right? So this is the math. This is a pure math. Now let us see the code. See here, result is equal to 0. Now while m is greater than or equal to 5. While m is greater than or equal to 5, we want to do the process again and again. We want to add the 5 in the result. Then we want to minus the 5 in the tank. Then if the additional tank have any fuel, then we want to convert one fuel to the main tank. Then we want to minus the additional fuel by 1. Then we want to return the result as result plus m into 10. You may wonder why I am doing this plus m. Because here m is greater than or equal to 5 only, this loop will be executed. If it is less than, we want to take that into our fuel consumption, right? That's why I am returning this. Let me submit this. Yes, it is submitted fully. Now let us see the optimal solution. See here, this is the optimal solution. What? The same formula I have mentioned there. Let me submit it. Yes, it is submitted. Thank you.